It's Melissa
and Olivia, and we're back
with another awesome video.
We're doing, as you can see by the title, which squishy versus real food, and I'm really excited.
Yeah. So that was awkward.
It was.
So let's just get on with the video.
Yeah. So now for round one. So we're gonna take turns deciding who gets to keep it and switch it. So you can go first.
Alrighty. I think I'm going to switch it.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh! So I got the real watermelon and she got the squishy watermelon.
I love squishies.
Mmm.
It's totally out of season, but is it good?
Yeah, really good.
It's winter.
Yeah.
It was kind of weird buying watermelon. Who buys watermelon in the winter? But it's okay. It's good. I love watermelon.
Yeah, it's really good.
Okay, they don't really want to watch us eat the whole watermelon. Let's move on to the next round.
Yeah. Alright, and now on to round 2. And Olivia gets to decide if she's going to keep it or switch it.
I'm going to switch it.
Alrighty.
Sorry.
Alright.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Bread.
So I got the bread squishy and she got the real slice of bread.
Delicious.
On to the next round.
Round 3.
Let's go. Alright. Oh yeah. I'm going to keep it.
Alright. 3, 2, 1.
Ooh.
Squishy.
Pineapple.
Pineapple squishy. Has
This
sunglasses.
is a big piece of pineapple. Not bad. Not the ripest though.
I think those ones look a little bit more ripe.
Yeah, let me try a little piece of those. It's a little better.
See you next round.
And on to round 4. We had to switch the bowls because the squishies got a little bigger. So, alright, your turn to decide.
I think I'm going to switch it.
Alright. Ready, set, go.
Yes!
Ooh.
I got strawberry ice cream.
And I got the strawberry ice cream cone.
That one's ripping.
Yeah, it is a little broke. That's okay.
It's delicious. You should be jealous.
And on to the final round! Alright, I think I'm going to keep it. On your marks, get set, go. I don't know why I did it that way.
3, 2, 1.
Ooh, strawberries. I thought this smelled like strawberries, but it doesn't really smell like strawberries that much. This is the strawberry squishy.
That's my favorite squishy.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much for watching! Never do that again!
No!
Or
Never again!
Sorry, bye guys.